Glen, Cerio.
Good morning, or good afternoon, Your Honor. Michael Jones appearing on behalf of Mr. Cerio. Apparently, my office has had a miscommunication with Mr. Cerio. He just started a new job, and apparently that's where he is today. We're asked to continue this. This matter is on appeal. We filed a request for a stay from the judge, but I don't think he may not have seen it yet since he's a pro tem.
Right, okay.
So if we could set this over until pro tem Grant sees that, I'm assuming he'll routinely grant the stay since it's a relatively short sentence. To go ahead with it, we would complete the sentence before the appeal.
Do we know how this got on this calendar?
It's all filed and pending.
Oh, because it's an allegation of not complying with the sentence?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
This is on this calendar, I assume, because the allegation is that he did not comply with the sentence, but you requested a stay. Is that?
Correct.
Okay. Let's go ahead and set this over. I'm just making sure I don't overset any calendars, so bear with me here.
And Your Honor, I assume counsel can appear on his client's behalf today.
Certainly.
Is that right? The city, Mr. Cerio would be statutorily eligible, I believe, for a stay, so we have no objection, based on the
Well, I don't want to hear that because it was submitted to Judge Pro Tem Grant, so he's going to need to rule on that.
I guess what I'm suggesting is if he grants that stay, we wouldn't need a hearing.
Right. No, that would be my assumption as well.
I advise my office that they have forwarded to Judge Pro Tem Grant, but I don't think he's seen it or hasn't signed it and returned it yet.
Okay, we have an impound hearing on the 13th at 9 o'clock. Let's go ahead and put this on 10 o'clock, Monday, September 13th. That can be stricken if Judge Pro Tem grants the stay, and we will note your position for the record, Mr. Kamen, so that we have that memorialized. But he's going to just need to have rule on that based under the statute.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. What was the date again? I just didn't hear.
It's going to be Monday, September 13th at 10 o'clock, and we will note that your client is appearing this morning through counsel, or this afternoon.
And he is present. He just started a brand-new job, though. And so I know he's available. We've been in communication with him.